Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do double space on Microsoft Word app using your phone, your smartphone, or use your tablet. So here, if you don't have Microsoft Word application on your device, you can try to download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now you can type Word. And here we go. This is Microsoft Word edit documents. Please make sure you have or you can create your Microsoft account first if you don't have one. After that, you can open Microsoft Word and open your projects or your documents here. So here, in order to do double space, to create double space on your file or documents, you can block the text or the paragraph first, and here you can tap edit, and here we go. You can tap this arrow in order to break down line spacing. This is for the one. Here you can add double of your line spacing here by using a paragraph option or format paragraph. The maximum is 3. So let's do it again by tap one of your documents. For example, here you can block the text or paragraph. From here, for example, and use paragraph formatting and use the line spacing in order to create double space. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.